We know how to add and subtract decimals, so now we're going to multiply them. Now the easiest multiplications are always tens, hundreds, and thousands. Anything that is a multiple of 10 is really easy because we move this invisible decimal place, but in our instance, we have the decimal place. So when we times it by 10, we've got 1 0. So we're going to move the decimal place over 1. So it is 14. This instance, we've got 2 decimal places. So we're going to, 2 zeros, sorry. So we're going to move the decimal place over 2 times. So 42. Now we have 100 and we have got 0.9. So we've got 2 zeros. We're going to move the decimal place over 2. 1, 2. Now if you notice there's no number here underneath this arch, we're going to put a number there. Now we know after every number there is always a 0, especially on this side of our decimals. So our answer is 90. As easy as that. Now we're going to do it when we're not timesing by tens. So we have got 4.2 times by 1.9. What I'm going to do is this one here has 1 decimal place and this one also has 1 decimal place. So I'm going to put this to the side. There's 2 decimal places, 1 here and 1 here, because there's 1 number after the decimal and 1 number after the decimal here. I'm going to get rid of them and just times like I would long multiplication. 42 times by 19. Hopefully I left myself enough room. 2 times 9 is 18. 4 times 9 is 36. Add 1 more is 37. Put your 0 down here. 1 and 2 makes 2. 1 and 4 makes 4. And add them together. I'm just going to add them over here so it's not too squishy. 8 and 0 is 8. 7 and 2 is 9. And 3 and 4 make 7. Now I've got 2 decimal places, so I need to slip it back in 1, 2 times, and it's always from this side slipping it back in. So 9.84 for that one. Now let's look at this one here. 2 decimal places in this one and 1 in this one. So in my answer, I'm going to have to put in 3 decimal places. I'm just going to put this to the side so I remember. And let's get rid of them. 97 and 4. This one's an easy one. So we've got 8 and 2. 36 makes 38. So 0.388. 3 decimal places. Slipped it in 1, 2, 3 times down here to make the decimal. And that's our answer.